Hi guys, welcome to a short clip. So I just have a new um, new accessory for my tent that I just got like a few days back. Just got off work, so I have few hours of my time to fix it. I want to show you my setup. I want to, like, although I know it's not the best one, but I want to share it to you guys, what I usually put inside my tent whenever we go out. So samahan niyo ako. All right, thanks. So this is the thing that I just recently got. What you call this? It's an anti-fatigue foam tile. To some, it might be just normal um, foam or interlocking foam, but this will help you keep yourself warm inside your tent. I've been looking for this one like 4 months now, and they just got it at Home Depot. So don't worry, I'll post the link on the description where you can get them. It's very cheap. I took advantage of the price for how much is it? 35 bucks for 12. So I don't know, I haven't used it, so yeah, it's still in the package, so it still has plastic. So this interlocking tile, yeah, anti-fatigue foam tile. So I don't have any idea how it works or how it performs, but yeah. Check natin yung I think most of you guys do this, like you test everything out. I'm just lucky I have this much space back of my house, so that we can see what adjustment we can do. Although I know, but it's quite odd because this year our winter is so short. We heard news that um, yeah, it's gonna be like 6 more weeks for winter, and that's it. It's gonna be waiting for open water, but probably like early April. Who knows? But I'm still not counting on it because yeah, we're in Winnipeg, so we're in Manitoba. So weather here is so unpredictable. It's ever changing. So one day it's like this, and then the other day it's like that. So let's see. Let's see. Wait. First pack is out, and they come in two colors. I'll just picture later. So one is gray, and one is light gray. So right now what I'm doing is, try to lay this out because I don't know the exact number of tiles that I need for this one. However, as far as I know, it's 16. So let's see. Right? Good. So, anim. So, sobra ako. If I were to buy one more, pwede na. Fully covered na siya. Right? Okay. First phase. Good. Let me just put the other things inside, right? Okay, so I guess this is it. I'm done with my setup. Pero I don't know, but this is what I have. You know, well, it may not be the best setup, but I think this will work. My table from Costco, my Body Flex, and also the new mat that I have. So I think this is gonna be a neat setup. I just wanted to show you guys what we have. I have my other equipment outside, like my drills and stuff. Well, I just want to share it with you. How it looks like inside. Yeah. So just don't roast me in the comments, all right? But you feel free to comment, like whatever I can add up to my setup. I'm just gonna take it outside. Yeah, look. Yeah. This is my fat fish. 9 something. Yeah, 949 fat fish. That's it. So this is an old tent. I just bought it from someone like last year. Huge shout out to all of you. Like I don't have a channel as big as those guys, big names in YouTube like Jay Siemens, Clayton Schick, and all the rest. Although I really look up to those guys, John B, Alex Barrick, who else? Even the recently guy that I've known, Fish Bro, Jomar. Big shout out to you guys because you inspired me to uh, continue making videos. Um, I thank you all, of course, dun sa mga guys who subscribe to my channel. I told myself when I started this one way back, it's only a few months ago. It's like October when I started uploading, because most of my, um, my relatives here keep on saying, "Yeah, just go upload all your videos because you have good stuff." So yeah, that's what inspired me, and what inspired me more is some of the people who are watching my videos, although they are sometimes a bit sloppy. But I really thank you guys, the 39 subscribers. Thank you. Don't worry, I'll try to upload as much as I can. Although it's been tough. We went out last week, honestly, and we got skunked. We went to the White Shell area. First time fishing there, actually. Um, there were some unforeseen circumstances, like we were checked by a conservation officer, and oh, by the way, when you go white shell, please don't bring live bait because it's illegal in the white shell. Just in case you guys don't know, uh, we were almost fined like 200 something dollars, but shout out to that conservation officer because he was so nice. And at the same time he was able to share some helpful information to us. So shout out to you, sir. Thank you very much. Also coming is we joined an ice fishing derby. First time. We're going to, where's this? Lac de Bonnie on February 24th. That's a Saturday. It's gonna be a quick one from 11:30 to 2:30. So I'm really not giving high hopes on that one because it's our first time joining a derby. However, beginner's luck, first timers luck. Hopefully, it turns out well. And yeah, today is a Sunday, so this coming Tuesday we have scheduled fishing adventure. This coming Tuesday. Hopefully, I can cover that for you guys and for you to watch something new. Hopefully, it turns out well. It's all just having fun because when I started uploading, I just promised myself this is going to be hobby, just for hobby and just for me to make memories, and at the same time, something to look back to, like in a few years or in the future, that I can share with my kids. Now, well, just in case if I have grandkids, yeah, that's Lolo right there. So yeah, so I hope you enjoy this very short clip. It may not be that much. Again, it's not to brag because compared to other guys' setup, this is just a basic setup, very basic. I call it the poor man setup, just for me to have my own, So I'm still thankful, and well, if you would watch all my previous videos, it's compared to what we have right now, this is a huge improvement from the few years that I've been ice fishing with my other colleagues, you know other friends especially to one of my buddies, Francis. He is the guy who opened the doors for me in ice fishing. He was the one who first introduced me. So shout out to you, bud. Thank you. Also, thank you very much for watching. All right. I'll see you on the next one.